Sometimes you may be chatting with any Instagram AI chat. And if you're chatting with Instagram AI chat and you like any replies that AI has given and you want to post that as your story, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do this. For this, open Instagram application. After that, here you can see message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every messages. In this, you can also see Instagram AI chat. For example, I'm selecting this Instagram AI chat. And after that, for example, if you like this chat and you want to post it as story, here you can see a plus button. Click on this, and when you're clicking on that, you can see option to post it as story. And here you can see so many options. If you want to add text, you can do that. You can add stickers, you can add music also. Anyways, after that, here you can see a send button. Before that, you need to set this. Now it is set to close friends. Anyways, after that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, they will ask whether you want to post it as your story. And if you want to add it as your Facebook story also, you can do that. If you don't want, just click on this option and you can disable this Facebook option. And here, if you want to set it for close friends, you can select that also. Anyways, you can set it according to your need. After that, click on the share button. And here you can see done button. Click on this done button and that story will be posted. So this way you can easily post any Instagram AI chat conversation as your story also. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.